I'm back with another bank. Let's get into this hidden gem, the Beat and the Biscuit 757. Immediately, as soon as I pulled up, they had took my car. Holiday parking, I thought that was a nice service to have. It was a lengthy wait time, but they had games to stall us by, games for kids and adults. They're playing some Jenga. We'll say the wait is definitely worth it. I have an outside bar with boozy drinks, the iced coffee, and mimosa. Into the cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll was such a good size, I ended up sharing it with my whole table. It was definitely sweet and appetizing. Got this Lucky Charms iced coffee, and it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It was really good. Definitely needed it to wash down the cinnamon roll. And the shrimps and grits were definitely bomb. Did what it was supposed to do. The omelet, the cheese pool, they added so much cheese in this omelet, it was top tier.